This is a video for a 1981 Evinrude 35 horse long shaft, electric start, remote control. Also has over 145 pounds compression in each cylinder. I've recently just rebuilt the carburetor, so it's ready to go. I'm going to start it up right now. It's great running outboard. 35 Evinrude. Might be a little more gas. Starts right up. Water pump works great. Shift into gear smoothly. Forward. Forward and reverse. Once again, forward. Neutral to the water pump. Reverse. That's reverse. Back to neutral and forward. Smooth running outboard. '81 Evinrude 35 horse long shaft. Thanks for viewing.